Don't give up faith. Don't give up the hope. The American dream is waiting for you. Now.
She's my sister.
She has to be deported.
Magda, obiecuję ci.
I have a feeling about her. She could be special.
Can you help me, please? I leave my sister here.
I'm here to help you. I can get her off the island. It'll be difficult and costly, but it can be done. This is Ava.
But it'd take a lot of money to get them out of there. Or a lot of fucking.
What do you want here in America?
I want to be happy.
And now, Lady Liberty opens her arms to you. How much more she comes out depends on you.
I know you judge me.
I don't judge anybody.
You do not take her.
Let me guess. You're falling for her. I'm gonna help you get your sister.
I hate you.